Alright guys, it's that time where a fig is ready to be picked. And this is a giant fig, and it goes by the name of Niagara Black. And I know that I'm going to regret once I pick this. I'm going to say I wish I would have waited a few more days. But there are 3 on the tree, and it is the most ripe of them all. So I'm gonna pause this and get the bag off. And here we go. The bag is off. Niagara Black. It just came off right by itself, which is a really good sign. And also goes by the name, I believe, of Nordland. I have tasted this fig before, and I can tell you it is one delicious fig. Let's take it inside and check it out. "108 grams. All right, so love this elongated neck, and this is how the inside looks, which is really, really good for a Breva fig. That the taste is going to be spectacular, because I've had a few of these before. And there's no way to finish this thing in one bite, that's for sure. Full meal with 3 bites. Fantastic.